Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pravi Web Innovators. So today we will learn hoisting JavaScript. The hoisting JavaScript means the function and variable declaration move to the top of the scope during the compilation phase. Okay, so let me show you with the example. So first you understand what is the declaration of variable. This means a variable declaration and function. Create a function. This is a variable declaration and we now declare a function like test hoist console.log print a value a. And so this is a variable declaration, this is a function declaration. Okay, so now we assign a value a equals to 10. Okay, so here we declare a variable and here we assign a variable. So this is an initialization. Okay, now we call the function here. We access the value. So let me check. The answer is 10. Okay, if we have a 12, then there is a 12. Okay, so the hoisting JavaScript means it moves the variable declaration and function declaration to the top of the scope. So in the simple example, where a equals to 10, where a equals to 10, then can access the value console.log a. Then it will print a 10. After save, it will print a 10. Okay, if we access the value before the initialization, it showing us undefined. Why undefined? We try to access the value before the initialization, we get the default initialization in the case of var, so there is the undefined. Okay, what will happen in the case of let and const? So let me show you with the in let and const how will this work. So let a equals to 10. So if we try, for example, we declare a variable like there. So let b equals to 12. Okay, console dot log equals to, so console dot log pass a value b. So it will give a 12 output, right? So if we access before the initialization, when we use the let keyword, it gives a reference error here. It gave a reference error like means cannot access b before initialization. So in the case of where, in the case of where we get the default initialization, so we get a undefined feature, undefined error, and this we have a error cannot access b before initialization. And the same way in the const, if we try to access the value before, it also gave us the error. Same, cannot access a before the initialization means the but in the case in let and const the variable also hoisted in the feature of es6, but we cannot access the value before the initialization because this is in the temporary dead zone.